Namaste. I'm in Rishikesh sitting by the Ganges. Some dogs are here. I don't know. Somehow they are attracted to the camera. Namaste. Today I'm in Rishikesh in Tapovan near Laxman Jhula. You can see Laxman Jhula in the background there. But Laxman Jhula is closed from the last like 4-5 months, so nobody is allowed to cross Laxman Jhula now, but people can use Ram Jhula to cross on the other side, and there is one more Jhula which is newly constructed, which is Janki Jhula. So I've just come here to have a look and the famous Triambakeshwar temple, Manchal temple. You can see it here in the background. It gives like a very nice look to the whole scene with the mountains in the background and this nice temple. But I've never went inside, but just the view from the outside is very nice. तो ये है राम झूला का मार्केट, the famous Ram Jhula. It's not very congested, but other times when a lot of tourists come here, it gets very congested. As because vehicles also go on this Jhula. But it's pretty nice. It's one of the main attractions here in Ram Jhula. Very nice view it has. You can look at, it's been covered all around by the hills. Just a few weeks back it was like heavily crowded because there is something called Kavod. So what is this is the people from UP, Bihar and even from Uttarakhand, people just take their bikes and come here to take water. They collect water from Gangaji and take to their hometowns and offer it on their local temples, mainly for Linga or Mahadev. Lots of foreigners visit Rishikesh because Rishikesh is famous all over the world as yoga capital. So right now I'm on the other side of the Jhula. Right now the water level has increased. Otherwise at this place it used to be like a beach. Like there used to be so many people here taking bath and just having a nice time by the river. But now because the water level have gone up, so there's no beach now. So right now you can see we are on the other side of the Jhula, and all the main ashrams in Rishikesh are on the other side, and there's a lot of cows are there. You can see this is a famous Choti Wala, the old one, which is very famous here. But I don't know what is the quality of food right now. But it used to be very nice before, and they have opened a new outlet on the other side also. And Choti Walas are famous for these. Right now there are actually 2 outlets here, Choti Walas. The 2 brothers have opened their 2 different ones, and we don't know which is the original one. So now we are entering the main lane of Ram Jhula. Most of the ashrams are located here. Shanti Niketan, Ved Niketan, so many are there. One shop that you must check when you're here is this one, the Geeta Bhavan Mitai Ka Dukan.
They also have samosa and kachori, India's two favorites, and we have two types of puris and jalebi, laddus.
This entire area is known as Swargashram, and so this is the first temple that we come across while you walk, and this is the Narayan temple or the Vishnu temple, Sri Lakshmi Narayan Mandir, Swargashram Bhavan.
ये जो है ना आप मूर्ति देख रहे हैं, ये मूर्ति है बाबा काली कमली वाले स्वामी आत्म प्रकाश महाराज। ये इस जो ट्रस्ट आप जो देख रहे हो, ट्रस्ट के फाउंडर हैं, इन्होंने ही ये ट्रस्ट बनवाया है।
हाँ जी।
यहाँ पे इनकी दोनों समय लंगर की सेवा चलती है, सुबह 10 बजे, शाम को 5 बजे। यहाँ पे संत महात्माओं को भोजन दिया जाता है, गरीब अनफिट लोगों को भोजन देते हैं, और साथ में जो विद्यार्थी हैं, पढ़ाई करने वाले, पढ़ने वाले, उनको भी भोजन दिया जाता है।
आपका ना?
हाँ जी।
किसका?
और
यहाँ गौशाला है, वहाँ पे गायों की सेवा होती है, आयुर्वेदिक औषधालय है।
हाँ जी। और इनके गुरु जो थे स्वामी विशुद्धानंद जी थे, इनके गुरु स्वामी विशुद्धानंद जी थे। ओके, धन्यवाद जी। In this little thing, they have written the entire Bhagavad Gita. So right now we are out of Geeta Bhavan, and this is their the bookstore where you can get all kinds of books published by Geeta Press. So we'll go in and have a look at what all books are available.
ये बजरंग जी सोनी, संत बजरंग जी सोनी द्वारा रचित ये पुस्तकें बहुत विशेष बिकती है। परम श्रद्धेय स्वामी जी श्री राम सुखदास जी महाराज इन पुस्तकों के भजन बहुत पसंद करते थे, और अभी भी इनके मतलब ऑडियो आदि उपलब्ध हो सकते हैं। राम